Huh?
Tires, eh?
Right.
Oh, yeah, I'm fine.
So what are we doing?
About to test drive a couple cars. This dealership's mad big. The showroom, baby. Waiting on Liz. Oh, here comes Liz. Yo guys, I just came outside to grab my license. Because little does Shaylee know, the car that we're test driving right now is a car that she sent me a link to because she was interested in buying it. Well, guess what? If she likes it, we'll buy it. But she doesn't even know what car we're even here to test drive. So stay tuned.
It's already wet.
Oh, just stalled it. Hey, you recognize this car?
I can't.
That's it. That's that. First time I saw a Lexus IS 300, it was a 2018. Dude was driving it for a boot.
No way.
Yes. Oh, yours is the old one?
Mary's beam. Alright, so I know I left y'all on a little bit of a cliffhanger because a couple days ago we went to go test drive the car and I didn't really explain what happened after we test drove the car. So Shaylee loved it, she really wanted it, we left, we went home, she was like, I really want it, like what do we gotta do to get it, blah blah. And I was telling her, oh don't worry about it, just like keep looking for other cars, there's gotta be other ones around, like there has to be something. And she's like, no, I promise this is the only one. I can't find any other ones, blah, blah. I'm like, oh, I don't know. Like, we just got to keep looking. But little did she know, like I told you guys earlier, was if she likes the car, we're buying it for her. And tomorrow's her birthday. So we're going to surprise her with it. She has no idea that I'm on the way to go pick it up. I just got out of work. So she would think, there's no way I'm going to pick up the car because I don't have anyone else with me to have drive this car while I drive the other car or vice versa. So in her mind, she thinks there's no way possible that I would be buying her car right now. So we're gonna go, we're gonna pick it up, and we're gonna go home and surprise her with it. Man, I got this thing waiting for me out here. Damn, she looks good too. Just got washed, detailed. Things looking right now. Man. Hoo-wee. Man, even the tires too. Yeah, no spaces, the doghouse. We just signed for it. Just finishing up the rest of the paperwork and we taking the car out of here. Sold, baby. Sold.
Your key?
That's it.
Yes, sir. There you are, my good man.
Hey, I appreciate it. Hit me.
Oh, no problem.
Start this bad Larry up. Ooh! I never seen the neon light, baby. Woo! Look at that. Oh, why does it say hold? It should say sold. Oh. There it is. Look at that. To TDH, baby, you know. Come on, we bought my girl a car. Alright, this is it. Perfect timing because it's super dark out. I'll be able to go home, hide the car, she'll have no idea. And I'll act like nothing's going on. I'll act like I just came home. And tomorrow morning, we'll surprise her. Hey, stay tuned, guys. This one's about to be crazy, I'm telling you. This is about to go crazy. Y'all ready for this? Ready? Yo, don't be playing with me. Hold on, hold on. Oh, stop it. Oh, man. All right, you guys, today's the day. I'm at the top of the driveway right now. I'm nervous, but it's time. I even got the sold sign, so I can pretty much, if she doesn't believe me, I can be like, it's right here. So I'm about to pull down to the driveway. I think this is how I'm gonna do it. Pull down the driveway, and while I'm going down, I'll tell her the reason why I went out this morning was I had to go to the store real quick. Could she just help me grab something out of the car? And I guess we'll just go from there. Yo.
Hi.
I'm pulling down the driveway right now. I just grabbed a couple things. You want to help me out with them?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be at the bottom of the driveway in like 2 seconds.
Okay.
Alright, bye. Alright, let's do it, guys. I don't even know how to ask for that. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to seem like it's normal, but clearly I didn't go to the store. Alright, here we go. Oh man, guys, I'm nervous. This is about to be crazy. Hopefully she's not outside already. I'm gonna call her when I get there. Hey, I just got here. Alright, come inside. Let's go, guys. She has no idea. Let's go, guys. Alright. I don't know which way she's gonna come. I think from the front. Let me just go here. Ready? Hey.
Hi.
Hi. This thing looks nice, huh?
What?
What?
Why is it here?
I figured it deserved maybe a second test drive or something. You want to drive it?
You're just test driving it?
Yeah, come here, come drive it. Go ahead.
You're bringing it back?
Here, come drive it.
Why'd you bring it all the way here?
They asked me to come in for a second test drive to see if I really liked it, so
They let you bring it home?
yeah, they call it an extended test drive.
Oh. So we're gonna see if I want it again?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go for a test drive.
I can't drive it yet.
Of course you can drive it.
I'm so confused. How did you get this home in that short of time?
What? What does that say?
It says home.
To who? What does it say? Pull it out.
I don't even want to go in it. Teenage Shavy.
I guess it's your new car.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, this is it. Now you're a new owner of a 2016 Volkswagen GTI.
Ryan, I don't even know what to say.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah. Is that why you've been telling me to look at other ones?
Yeah, I had it all planned out, went down there, filled out all the information.
Exactly. Oh my god. Wait, that's it. I can't even.
This is it. You at least know how to start it.
Yeah.
Start her up. It's yours.
my god.
Yeah, this one does have AC. It's your new car. Now you can throw away that one. Or we might do something crazy to it. We'll see what happens to the Volkswagen Jetta.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for the Jetta explosion, possibly.
I have a standard car, betcha.
Alright, you ready to go take it for a ride now that it's yours?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Let's go. Alright, you should be good.
I'm in first, right?
Yeah. And what do you mean you're in first? You need, hold on.
Okay.
Pull it out. Pull it out. Now take your foot up the clutch. Yeah.
It's been forever. Not to you guys, it's literally been 0.2 seconds from the last clip. But it's been a journey.
Yeah.
You know, it's been a little hard. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie. You gonna wanna see what I've been practicing?
Yeah.
There we go, going in first. Woo. Woo.
She actually knows what's first this time, guys.
Oh. I'm in. Here we go.
Now you got too much going on.
I know, we're going. Here we go. Ready? Here comes second, bitches. Second. Yeah, bitch.
There it is. Straight.
Oh, and we're gonna go straight.
The progress is
There we
here.
go. And ready?
Oh,
Oh, fuck. Okay.
is that third gear, Johnson? Alright, we're back.
Here we go, bitches. Take two. Here we go. I am in first.
Are you, though?
I'm in first.
Are you sure?
Yep,
Go
on the
down.
wall.
No, there's always a wall on every gear.
Okay.
That's first, okay.
First. Here we go.
Easy on the clutch. Flawless.
We're up! We made it!
You gotta shift though.
Oh, fuck.
Johnson. Hey, at least you know how to boost though. Welcome to your first day of driving a standard. Looks good though, right?
Drive a standard. Comment below your story of your first driving. Because this is really hard. Yeah.
She's gonna drive it home. Watch. She's gonna drive it home. Watch. But happy birthday to Shaylee.
Thanks. Oh, I need to see the the date, the
Oh, okay, yeah.
Where is it? In here?
It should be. Top right corner or top left corner of the square thing. If you know Shaylee, you know why she needs a date.
I'm trying to find my car's zodiac sign, if you will.
516.
Taurus.
Ugh. I'm cutting it there. Nasty little mother. Yeah, we got her on the main road, guys. That's it. We got her. I guess we should have kept recording because we just left the gas station and and it was a struggle getting out of there, guys. But
too many people.
we're here and we're good to go.
I'm in fourth.
Yeah.
So
Driving down the road.
On the road.
We got her going home now.
oh, little crunched up wormy.
Happy birthday, sir.
Thanks.